Hi, my name is Erwin, your sales consultant.
Mitsubishi lover ka ba o naghanap ng bagong sasakyan? Dito sa Mitsubishi Manila Bay, meron tayong 7-seater SUV Montero Sport. Kung pickup truck naman, Triton ang nababagay sa'yo. And this is the new X-Force Compact SUV. Expander 7-seater. Crossover yan. Kung business naman hanap mo, L300. Subok na matibay, subok na matatag. Good news dahil zero down payment pa rin tayo sa Mirage G4 at Mirage Hatchback. May free 2 months pa. Kaya ano pang iniintay nyo mga sir? Mag-apply na dito sa Mitsubishi at dito, ito mga kailangan natin. Kung locally employed naman, 2 valid IDs, latest payslip 3 months, certificate of employment with salary compensation, pwedeng to follow, at proof of billing, pwedeng Meralco, Wi-Fi, water, or telephone bill. Kung business owner naman, kailangan natin ng 2 valid IDs, DTI, passbook or bank statement, dapat latest 3 months po yan, proof of billing, pwedeng Meralco, Wi-Fi, water, or telephone bill. 5 step-by-step to release unit. Number 1, fill up online application form. Number 2, submit all supporting docs via Messenger, email, or Viber. Within a week, bank approval na po tayo, phone interview at CI. Then deposit 5,000 to request the unit. Release date natin Monday to Friday only, then full down payment and bring all original documents you submitted. So ano pang inintay nyo mga ma'am, sir? Apply na, message nyo na ako sa Facebook page at pag-usap na tayo. Let's go!